Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to buy and send Bitcoin on Cash App for the first time. First, you want to make sure that you actually have money in your Cash App account to be able to buy Bitcoin. To add money, you click on your profile picture in the top corner, then scroll down and under Account and Settings, click on Linked Banks. From there, you can link a payment method. Once that's set up, return to the Cash App homepage and click on the icon in the very bottom left corner. For me, it shows $5, but for you, it may show another dollar amount. Go ahead and click on that, then choose Add Cash. This is where you can transfer funds into Cash App. Now, to actually buy Bitcoin, close out of that screen, and right below Add Cash, you'll see the Bitcoin option. Click on it, then scroll down a bit and select Buy. You can either choose a preset amount or press on the three dots to enter a custom amount. For this example, I'll select 4 and then click Next. A review page will appear showing exactly what you're purchasing, and then you can confirm the transaction. Once the Bitcoin is purchased, you can send it to another wallet. To do this, click on the paper airplane icon and select Send Bitcoin. Here, enter the amount you want to send. At the top, under Send Bitcoin, you'll see a number followed by BTC available, which shows the amount of Bitcoin you can send. If I enter 4 again, you'll notice it displays the BTC equivalent right below. After entering the amount, click Send. At the top, next to 2, paste the Bitcoin address of the wallet you want to send your Bitcoin to. A Bitcoin address is a long sequence of letters and numbers. Once entered, select the wallet address and confirm it, then click Next. You may need to verify your identity, such as uploading a driver's license. After that, you'll be asked to choose the speed of the withdrawal. Once you click Next, you'll be taken to a confirmation page that shows how much Bitcoin you've withdrawn. That's all there is to it. By the way, if you're just getting into Bitcoin but want something simpler and cheaper for regular money transfers, I strongly recommend Wise. I use it personally. Wise beats banks and apps on fees and rates, and even gives you a free debit card you can use worldwide. And if you sign up using the link in the description, your first transfer up to $800 is free. Quick setup, no hidden fees.